So we just donated 64 electric poles to Ijema, and this is one of the electric poles. So every electric pole you see in Ijema today was donated by the Adoradi family. And you know, we're not just going to stop there. We want to do more. If you develop your home, more people can go. So today was successful. I'm very happy this came to fruition, and it's time to head back to Lagos. Basketball today, we can win Nike backpacks, we can win money, we can win candy, whatever you want to do, and it's sponsored by Nike. Ah, that was close.
Hey guys, so first off, I want to say a big thank you to everyone that has reached out to me. I really appreciate everybody that has reached out to me. Honestly, I don't know, I would say I'm just going through my phase. Yeah, last week was the whole phase that I'm not even processing. I can't even process it yet. That's how crazy it is, because I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start from. Most of you guys know I was robbed last week, like down to my phone, to my money, to everything I had was taken away from me. And I'm here in Lagos alone. I don't have any family. I don't have anybody to fall back on. That's how crazy it is. That's how bad it got that I had to tweet help. Because if they told me they would ever point a gun at me, I would not believe it. But yeah, honestly, I don't just know what to do. I don't want it to be like I'm coming online to like ask directly for support or help from you guys. But sadly, man, I need help. I'm struggling badly. It's crazy, but that is what is happening to me. I can't even think straight because I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start from.